Okay, let's continue with question number 5. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. So whenever they give questions in ratios, okay, we have to consider x. Ratios literally means like suppose if you have 50 rupees and your friend has 100 rupees, then the ratio of the money between the two of you is 1:2. So literally it means you have the if you have 1 and your friend has 2, the ratio, then it literally means like your friend has double the money of yours. Itu the ratio, no? So like since the ratio is this, in order to get the original value, you have to multiply both by the same value. Then only you'll get the original value of what you actually had beforehand. So that's how like ratios work. So it's like you're multiplying by a factor for each and every term by the same factor, then you'll get the original value. So we can start by doing let the sides of the triangle be 12x, 17x and 25x. That way I'm multiplying x to all three sides by so it's like I'm multiplying by the same factor in all three sides, so that we'll get the exact side, original side. So this 12 is to 17 is to 25 is literally after cutting everything. What is left after cutting everything is this thing. Okay. The keyword katisi jane it'll keyword katisi to the x loism, and they've given us perimeter. Perimeter literally means the sum of all the sides, right? So given perimeter equal to 540 centimeter. So perimeter means sum of all the sides. So this plus 25 to 540. So they'll give us 19, 14, 1 in hand, 2, 3, 4, 5, 54x. 540. So 54 ones are, 54 tens are. So x equal to 10. So therefore, the sides are 12x equal to 12 into 10, 120. 17x equal to 17 into 10, 170. And then we took 25x equal to 25 into 10, that is 250. So now we need to find s. So s is half of perimeter. I've already told you we don't have to add all three and divide by 2 again, because we already know perimeter is 540. So s means half of perimeter. So half of this, which is 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 0. Now area. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is 270, and then 270 minus 120, and then we're getting 270 minus 170, and then 270 minus 250, because A, B, C is like literally those three, A, B, and C. Okay, so I'll try to use as much shortcut as possible. I hope you all will catch up to it. And if you don't understand something, do ask. 270 into 0, 5, 1, 150 into 0, 0, 100 into 20. So this 0 comes out to be 10. These two zeros comes out to be 10 again. So we're left with 27 into 15 into 20. This 0 and this 0 I made it into 10, and then I took it out. This 100 square root is 10, so I took 10 out. Now this 0 does not have any partner, so I'm just writing it like this. Okay, 100 root 27, I can write it as 3 into 3 into 3. 15 I can write as 3 into 5. 20 I can write it as 2 into 2 into 5. So we're getting 100 into these two trees like that. These two trees together 1. This 5 and this 5 together is 1. and these two 2's together becomes 1. So 5 2's are 10, so 1000, 3 2's are 9. This is centimeter square. Okay, I guess that's it. Just write that part, this part. Anyway, let's do question number 6, the last question for this exercise, but we will go back to question number 1 after this, since we skipped question number 1. Anyway, an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter. So in this case, so they've given us perimeter, which means we'll have to find the sides. Each of the equal sides is 12. Okay, what do you understand by the term isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means a triangle where two sides are equal, right? Let's say that this side and this side is equal. So they're saying what? Each of the equal sides is 12. So if one of the is 12, the other one will also be 12, but we don't know this. Okay, it's like that. But we do know that the perimeter is 30. So let the third side be x. So perimeter, they gave us 30, which means if the equal sides is 12 and 12, right, 12 and 12, so we'll be getting 12 plus x equal to 30, x equal to 30 minus 24, x equal to 6. So which means the third side is 6. Okay. So we have all three sides. One is 12, and the other one is 6. Now, s is half of perimeter. Perimeter is 30. Half of that is 15. So as for area, it will be s, that is 15. S minus a, which is 15 minus, we can take a is 12, because we know that two of the sides are 12. So this would also be same. And the third one, we found the third side, which is 6. So 15 minus 6. Okay, 15 into 3, 5 minus 12 is 3, again 3, and then this is 9. 15 minus 6 is 9, right? See, this is quite easy. This 3 becomes 1 3, the root 9 is also 1 3. I don't know, I'm getting something weird. I don't know if that makes sense or not. Please do check the answer if it's right or wrong. Centimeter. 12, 12, 24. So 6. So 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. 3. 9 plus 6, 15. So yeah. I hope it's right. Anyway, let's go to the next question. Question number 1, which is this. So question number 1 is a little complicated, but it's not that hard. And then I feel like question number 1 type will not come, because it's more of a derivation for a formula. Like, it's literally the derivation for an equilateral triangle. Okay, so equilateral triangle means what? A triangle where all the sides are equal. So if there's a, everything would be a. So they're saying if there's an equilateral triangle with side a as a measurement, what would be the shortcut formula to calculate the area of an isosceles triangle, deriving it from by using Heron's formula. So we're supposed to find the area of a triangle whose sides are a, and a. No numbers, just a, and a. Okay, this part is the second part of the question. We will do that later on. So first part of the question up to here is literally they say if the triangles are side a, and a, find the area using Heron's formula. So we have s will be equal to a plus b plus c is like literally the three sides of the triangle, right? But then in this case, all three sides are a, and a. So a plus a by 2. So s equal to 3a by 2. Now area will be equal to root over s minus a, and it actually should be s minus b. Okay, the next one. But then since all three sides are a, and a, I'm gonna do a and a also here also. Now the thing with this is, see, square root colonna. Square root means anything that has a square inside a square root it comes out of the square root. So that's why when we have pairs like 3 into 3 like ekta ho jaya. Why does it become 1? Because 3 into 3 literally means 3 square. So anything that has a square becomes 1. That's why it's called square root. Okay, so this one s minus a into s minus a is a pair. So s minus a will come out, and then s into s minus a will be left inside, right? So s is literally 3a by 2 minus a. This one 3a by 2 into same thing 3a by 2 minus a. If I take LCM, it will be 3a minus 2a by 2, because if there's nothing here, you're just gonna imagine there's 1 over there. So this one also 3a by 2 into 3a minus 2a by 2. So 3a minus 2a is 1a by 2 root over 3a by 2 into 1a by 2, right? And see, the thing is, if there's addition subtraction, you have to solve it out first, okay? But since there's no addition or subtraction over here in this plainly pure multiplication, we can see that there's an a by 2 over here and there's an a by 2 over here. So we can pair this up and then take it out from there. So 1 into a, or 1a is a only, okay? So a by 2 into this a by 2 comes out since these two paired up. And what's left in the bracket? 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 1 only. So a into a is a square by 2 to the 4. And then root 3 is left. So area of an equilateral triangle. I think I've given this in the starting of the class also. Equal to root 3. I just wrote root 3 by 4. The numbers together. And then a is the unknown. So a square. So that is literally the formula of equilateral triangle, and this formula kinagarna itu formula I using Heron's formula. Okay, so this is the derivation of an equilateral triangle using Heron's formula. So I don't know if this kind of question will come or not, okay, especially the derivation and all, but then like you have to get an idea of how it's done now, because sometimes they might change the question and give you in a very different angle or in a very different light. So that's the first part of the question. Like let's read the question once. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. So that is the first part of the question. So side A that is here, and then we found the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. So with the side A, we found the area of the triangle, which is this. Now the second part of the question, they're saying if its perimeter is 180, so if the perimeter is 180, so they're saying now perimeter of the equilateral triangle is 180. So if like it's an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, right? And they've already mentioned that the sides are a, so a plus a plus a equal to 180. Understand or not? Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, so 3 times a equal to 180. So a is 3 1s are 3 6 are 60 degree. I mean 60 centimeter. So we're getting each side to be 60, 60, and 60. So they're asking what will be the area of the signal board. See, when you if you notice the question, second part of the question, what you'll notice is that they are not asking us to use Heron's formula or anything, and we do know that we're talking about an equilateral triangle over here, and we already derived the formula for finding the area of an equilateral triangle using Heron's formula. So since we already know A, and we know that the shortcut formula for area of equilateral triangle is this, we can use this formula to find this out. Okay, so area, instead of using Heron's formula, because this is way shorter, equal to root 3 by 4 a square, root 3 by 4 into 60 square. So root 3, since a is 60, 6 6 are 36, 0 0, since there's two zeros. 4 1s are 4 9s are 36, so we're getting 900 and root 3, which is the final answer. So yes, that's it. 12.2, I think it's deleted. We'll have to confirm once, but if it's deleted, then from chapter 12 I'll be giving multiple choice questions in the next class. Okay, and after that we'll start the last chapter for syllabus, chapter 15, and then we'll be done. But since we won't be getting enough time for second exam, we will directly start the next chapter also, and then like second term gani lui du wait. Anyway, that's it.